Hi Brenda, this is Bob Holzhacker with Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in beautiful Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for asking us about our 2016 Honda Accord. Like almost all of our pre-owned cars here, this was traded in on a new Mercedes. Usually it's people that have the wherewithal to maintain the car very well. The car has a great Carfax. I sent that off to you earlier. We put new tires on the car. Very, very nice tires. And great wheels. This is obviously an upgraded trim level for Honda. It's the sport level. Really a nice looking car. I don't see any blemishes or dents or scrapes even. Highway miles, 109,000 miles. So, but still a great car. Hondas are known to go a long, long time. Plenty of room, family-sized car. Good safety ratings. You have the side curtain airbags, all the front airbags. Really, really nicely equipped. So let's get in. We'll take it around our lot, okay? Okay, here we go. We're going to go around our lot here at Prime Motor Cars. Love the dash light, the dash layout, real nice. The carbon fiber look here, really terrific. Yeah, really, really nice. Very quiet. Let's see, pretty zippy, pretty zippy. So we have a nice international airport 5 minutes away, the Portland International Jetport. We'd love to have you fly in, and then you would drive this car back to Cincinnati, which I think is probably around 1,000 miles away. It wouldn't be too bad if you split it over a couple of days. All right, Brenda, well, thanks for asking about this. My name again is Bob Holzhacker. Please call me if you need me to video a certain portion of the car, a certain feature you're interested in. I'm more than happy to do that, okay? 207-747-9714.